Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Google Forms on your mobile. First, make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns or edits the form. This avoids permission errors. Once done, open the Forms app or tap a form from Drive. If the Forms interface looks different, tap the three-line menu to confirm you're in the right product. Make sure your phone's internet is stable so language settings sync correctly as you proceed to change the display language. Now you'll change the account language that drives Forms interface. Tap the menu and choose Manage your Google account, then go to Data and Personalization and find Language. You need to add the language you want or select it from the list. Adding sets it as primary for most Google apps. Once you pick the new language, wait a moment. Google syncs settings across devices. If Forms doesn't update immediately, force close the app and reopen it. Finish by reopening Google Forms and checking that menus, prompts, and templates reflect your chosen language. If something still shows the old language, clear the Forms app cache or sign out and back into your Google account. This forces a fresh sync. Make sure the change wasn't blocked by a different Google account on the device. Switch accounts if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if the problem persists, change the language from accounts. Google.com on a desktop, then retry on mobile to ensure the server-side setting updated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.